Hey, welcome to 212 2nd Avenue North here in the village of Milo. Now, this 1976 home is a bungalow located on a corner lot. Looking out to the west and to the north, see there's an open field to the north. The south at the end of where the cars are parked way at the back there, so it's at two and a half blocks down the street is the school, grades 1 to 9. Yes, this house is on a little bit of a hill. This house is about 1,200 square feet in size. Sorry, there's a little breeze today and I'm walking on ice, so I'm just trying to stay upright. There's a driveway here. There's 3 vehicles parked, so if you wanted, there's ample room here to build a garage if you liked. There's kind of a deck here. No railing on it. I think at one point they were going to have a hot tub there. I'll take you inside. Resume. Inside the mudroom here, you'll see there's a hot water on demand system. Take a few steps up. Washer and dryer just to the right. And kitchen area here. Good cupboard space. The floors are linoleum. And we have the dining area. And into the living room. There's good space in here. See, there's a closet area if you're coming in from the front door. And into the hallway, there's another closet here. And bedroom. Closet just to the left. Down the hallway, there's the full bathroom here. Tub with shower. second bedroom. And then master bedroom. Master bedroom has a closet over here. And a two-piece ensuite. Here. So we got the master plus 2 bedrooms on the main level, 2-piece ensuite bathroom, and as well as the main bathroom, the full bath. Let's take another quick look down the hallway. And we'll take you down into the basement. And here we are in the basement. This obviously is a furnace. We've got storage area here. There's a built-in workbench. Lots of room for storage. There's a little cold storage room under the stairs, under the entrance area. Sorry, I've got some lights here. There we go. And then this area, the family room. So it's a full basement, lots more room. There's big windows here for development if you wanted to make another bedroom down here. There we go. Take you back outside. Okay, I'm back outside. Just standing on the deck. See the wide open view to the north and to the west. Lake McGregor Provincial Park is just over the hill. There's actually a walking trail just up by here that will actually, you can walk right out to the lake. And on a clear day, you could see the mountains from here. So just to review, this house was built in 1976. It's 212 2nd Avenue North in the village of Milo. 1,200 square feet in size. Like I say, 3 bedrooms, 1 full bath, and a half bath on the main level. and the basement is partially developed. There's a paved parking pad up here, and I would say room for a garage if a person wanted to in the future. So if you have any questions about this property, please give me a call at 403-633-2222 or visit us on the web at magnusonrealty.com. Thank you very much and have a great day.